class. But before we start our presentations, let us introduce our member. My name is Siti Rayani.
I'm Sri Ayam.
My name is Rizka Muhatasari.
Well, the first materials will be explained by Miss Ayam.
Complement clause. A subordinate clause can also appear with an intensive verb and a function as the subject complement. A subordinate clause can also complement adjective. And then it's about the function of complement clause. For the first, complement clause is a clause which is used as the complement of some other word, typically as the complement of a verb, adjective, or a noun. And then the second function is complement clause as the noun clauses. And the last function of complement clause can be that clauses, WH clauses, in clauses, or infinitive clauses. The most common types is a complement clause following a verb.
Kinds of subordinate clause. 1. Subordinate clause which on their own serves as direct object of verbs such as believe, tell, say, know, and understand. The subordinate clause are the complement of this verb. 2. Subordinate clause which modify various nouns such as story, rumor, and facts, and adjectives such as proud, happy, and sad. The subordinate clause are the complement of this noun and adjective. 3. Subordinate clause which on their own acts the subject of sentence with such predicate as be a pity, be a nuisance, be opportunate, seems, and happen. These clauses are called subject complement or subject complement clauses.
Next, I would like to explain about complementizer. Complementizer is very important in complement clause. A complement clause is a clause introduced by a complementizer like that or whether. A complement clause is attached to a preceding noun, adjective, or verb. For example, complementizer in the sentence is, for the first, she said that she wasn't coming. In this sentence, complementizer is that. And second, I don't know whether she will come. In this sentence, complementizer is whether. And the last example complementizer in the sentence is, she asked me if I was coming. Complementizer in this sentence is if. So, the label complementizer refers to the part of speech which includes the words which introduce complement clause. For example are that and whether, and if is also a complementizer when it means whether. Well friends, now I would like to explain about the tree diagram of complement clause. For example, the important thing is that you are happy. For the first, we have S1, which means main clause, and S1 divided into two parts. They are noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase consists of determiner and n-bar. N-bar, we put n-bar because we have adjective phrase and noun. The as a determiner, important as an adjective, and thing as a noun. And next we have verb phrase. Verb phrase consists of verb group and S2 or subordinate clause. Verb group that used is intensive verb. Verb group consists of auxiliary and verb. In auxiliary, the tenses that use is present tense and is as a verb. And the last we have subordinate clause or S2. S2 in this case is that you are happy. Like we have explained in advance that is complementizer, and subordinate clause can appear with an intensive verb, and subordinate clause is dependent clause that cannot stand alone. So, the conclusion is a complement clause is a subordinate clause that serves to complete the meaning of a noun or verb in a sentence. And complement clauses are generally introduced by subordinating conjunctions, also known as complementizers, and contain the typical elements of clauses.
Well, friends, that's all our presentation today about a complement clause. I hope you understand about our material. Thanks for your nice attention. And the last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.